So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a page count here inside of a document on the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done for this demonstration, I'm just going to type in page number 1 right here. So if you wanted to add a page counter, it's super duper simple. Simply just go to the top right here to where it says insert. And if you were to go ahead and press on insert, then go down to where it says page count right here. If you want to insert a page count, press on it just like this. Now, as you can tell, the number 1 actually does get brought right next to it. So not the simplest way to do it, but let's just see where to go to the top here and just go ahead to where it says insert and go to page count right here. The number 1 will be there. Then if you were to go ahead and add a second page, for example, just like this, at the top here, the page count actually is provided just like that. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to insert a page count here in the Pages application inside of a document. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.